We'll guide you through how to use Zapier for Facebook lead ads, making your marketing automation seamless and efficient. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Zapier website on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're in, click on the Create Zap button, which is usually at the top right of the dashboard. Here, you'll want to set up a trigger, so search for Facebook lead ads in the Trigger Apps section. Select it and then choose the New Lead Trigger event. This means every time someone fills out a lead form on your Facebook ad, it will trigger the Zap. Next, you'll need to connect your Facebook account if you haven't already. Click Sign in to Facebook lead ads and follow the prompts to authorize Zapier's access to your lead data. Once connected, select the Facebook page and lead ad form you want Zapier to pull data from. Now, it's time to set up the action. Search for the app where you want the lead information to go. For example, you might want to send it to a Google Sheet, an email marketing tool, or a CRM. Select the app and then choose a corresponding action event, like Create Spreadsheet Row for Google Sheets. Connect your account if necessary, and then map the fields from the Facebook lead ad to the fields in your chosen app. Make sure everything matches up correctly, like name, email, and any other information you're collecting. Once that's done, test your Zap to ensure it's working correctly. Zapier will show you a success message if everything went smoothly, and any test data will be sent to your chosen app. Finally, once you're satisfied with the setup, turn on your Zap by clicking the toggle switch at the top. That's it. Your Zap is now live, and you can start collecting leads automatically from your Facebook ads. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.